ay feeling gyud na uy murag okay na ko pero murag di gyud kaayo. So my advice is yes, you listen to your body, but also I want you to consult a doctor, consult a specialist, especially if this feeling has been going on for more than months, or even I have patients na years na they feel there is something wrong with their knee. And more injuries will happen if dili ma-fix ang inyuhang ligament injuries. So ang kanang ligament nato keeps the knee in place. Mulihok na, sobra ang lihok sa knee, it can cause early arthritis, damage to the other ligaments, uban mga ugat sa tuhod, uban mga meniscus injuries are next that usually happen after an ACL. And sometimes, no, kung grabe ang injury, meniscus tears and ACL tears, they come hand in hand, magdungan nagkahitabo.